As RV ownership continues to grow, travelers and outdoor enthusiasts are investing more in protective gear to keep their rigs in top condition. A high-quality RV cover guards against sun, rain, wind, and debris while parked or in storage. This guide evaluates top RV covers based on material durability, weather resistance, fit and ease of installation, ventilation and protection features.
Product number 1. Leader Accessories Windproof RV Cover 27 feet to 30 feet Travel Trailer Cover, Extra Thick Camper Cover. The Leader Accessories Windproof RV Cover is engineered for RV owners who want robust all-season protection without breaking the bank. Designed to fit travel trailers from 27 feet to 30 feet, its standout feature is the extra thick material that adds durability and resistance against harsh elements. This cover uses a multi-layer heavy-duty fabric that resists tearing from high winds, UV exposure, rain, and snow. The reinforced stitching and wind straps help keep the cover secure during storms or windy conditions, which can be a major concern for RV owners parked long-term. The UV protection is also significant. It helps safeguard exterior paint, decals, and interior furnishings from sun damage, a must for sunny climates. Installation is surprisingly straightforward, with easy access zipper doors for entry without removing the entire cover. This thoughtful design prevents the common frustration of daily use access, especially important for frequent travelers. The tailored fit ensures full coverage while minimizing flopping or strain on seams. Product number 2. Heavy-duty 8 layers RV cover 27 to 30 feet. The heavy-duty 8 layers RV cover 27 to 30 feet is a great choice for RV owners who prioritize ultimate weather protection. With 8 distinct layers of material, this cover is built to withstand extreme conditions. Think heavy snow, driving rain, intense sun, and strong winds. Each layer serves a purpose: UV resistance, waterproofing, tear resistance, breathable mesh, and internal cushioning to prevent surface scratches. The multi-layer design not only provides exceptional durability, but also helps regulate interior temperature by reflecting sunlight and allowing moisture to escape, reducing the risk of mold or mildew. The fit for 27 to 30 feet RVs is snug, thanks to adjustable hem and wind straps that lock the cover in place. This is especially useful in open lots or exposed campsites where gusty conditions can loosen lesser covers. Reinforced seams and premium elastic hems demonstrate attention to detail and construction. While the 8-layer build does add some weight, product number 3. RV Guard RV Cover. The RV Guard RV Cover appeals to RV owners who want reliable all-weather performance with a focus on user convenience. Known for quality construction, this cover fits a variety of RV sizes and is ideal for seasonal storage or year-round protection. What sets the RV Guard cover apart is its balanced approach to materials and features. Thicker than basic covers, yet not as bulky as heavy-duty industrial options. It typically combines weather-resistant layers with breathable fabric that sheds water while allowing moisture vapor to escape. This helps prevent condensation accumulation, a common concern that can lead to rust and mildew. Installation is straightforward with zipper doors, adjustable straps, and elasticized hems. The zipper access is particularly appreciated by frequent travelers as it allows quick entry to the RV without full cover removal. Integrated buckle straps provide extra wind stability, ensuring the cover stays secure even in breezy conditions. Number 4. Heavy-duty travel trailer RV cover, 22 to 24 feet. The heavy-duty travel trailer RV cover, 22 to 24 feet, is tailored for owners of mid-sized travel trailers seeking strong protection in a compact form. Its heavy-duty material provides excellent resistance to sun, rain, wind, and snow, making it suitable for a range of climates. Constructed with multi-layer fabric, this cover does a great job of shedding moisture and blocking UV rays. The heavier material offers peace of mind during winter storage or extended parking in harsh weather. The reinforced seams and durable straps help prevent tearing and keep the cover secure even when conditions get rough. For ease of use, this model includes zipper access points, making it more convenient to enter and exit the RV without removing the entire cover. Adjustable straps and secure buckles simplify installation and help maintain a snug fit around the RV's contours. Despite its tough build, the cover remains reasonably lightweight, which eases handling during setup and removal. The balance of thickness and agility makes it ideal for owners who want strong protection without dealing with an overly bulky cover. Product number 5. Heavy-duty 8 layers RV cover, 20 to 22 feet. The heavy-duty 8 layers RV cover, 20 to 22 feet, mirrors its larger counterpart with exceptional protective performance packed into a size perfect for smaller trailers and campers. Its 8-layer construction is engineered to resist UV rays, heavy rain, snow, and abrasion, delivering robust defense against outdoor elements. This cover's multi-layered design offers substantial benefits: waterproof outer coatings that keep moisture out, breathable middle layers that let trapped moisture escape, and inner cushioning to prevent surface scratches. This combination helps preserve the exterior finish and reduces risks of long-term damage. Wind resistance is another strength, helped by reinforced straps and buckles that secure the cover tightly around the RV. The elasticized hem and multiple attachment points prevent shifting even during gusty conditions, an important feature for owners in open or exposed lots.